Hey friend, in this video we're going to talk about the word exhausted. It's a great day to talk about that word because I am exhausted. Last night some of my kids were sick and they wanted to sleep in my bed and oh, excuse me. I am exhausted. So let's check out our meaning and our example sentences and our pronunciation. Yawn, involuntarily opening your mouth wide and inhaling due to tiredness or boredom. So if you haven't figured it out already, exhausted, that's a real yawn. Exhausted means to be very, very tired. So let's say that one more time. Exhausted, it's an adjective and it means to be very, very tired. And just as a reminder, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. I hope I get more sleep tonight than I did last night. As always, friend, I want you to be able to practice pronouncing the word that we are studying together and practicing together. So here we go. Exhausted. Listen and then repeat after me. Exhausted. 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 Great job, everybody. I hope you are not as exhausted as I am. Let's check out the meaning of the word exhausted by using a couple of example sentences. I am exhausted because I did not sleep well last night. I am exhausted because I didn't sleep well last night. So I am very, very tired because my sleep was interrupted. I didn't sleep well. And that's why I'm exhausted. Example number 2, the new parents are exhausted because their baby cries all night long. Example number 2, the new parents are exhausted because the baby cried all night long. In the comments section, I want you to try writing a sentence that uses the word exhausted. And I want you to write it like this. I am exhausted because, and then explain the reason why you might be exhausted. I'll check out your comments and your sentences in the comment section below. Get good sleep tonight, everybody. I hope you feel better. I hope I feel better. Talk to you later.